welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and press the subscribe button and join the beauty gang. Also make sure you turn your post notifications on to all so you don't miss any kind of uploads from me. It's about 9:53 right now. I just got home. Oh shoot. If y'all haven't tried Gus chicken, it's lit. The best fried chicken. Okay. Messing around Popeyes or Church's Easy because that's not really real chicken. Real chicken. Period, poo. I really need to get my life together. Basically, I'm starting keto again for the second time. Yes, second. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me on this journey because I can influence y'all out there that's trying to get y'all diet together, y'all trying to get y'all health together. I understand, okay? So why not be the motivation that y'all need? When I was on keto before, I did it for like 2 months and some, and I lost like 30 pounds or 25 pounds. I think I lost 30. Yeah, I lost like 30, roughly 35 pounds. Once you have that temptation and you go along with the temptation, boo. It's hard. It's always time and another day to try again. And I'm doing that. I'll be going to the gym in the morning and grocery shopping, so y'all will definitely see that. I'll probably put like a keto shopping haul on my cooking channel, but I don't know. Stay tuned. Okay, so I told y'all yesterday I was starting keto today, so if y'all want to see this keto grocery haul, then go ahead and subscribe to my cooking channel. It'll be in the description box below. Just wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail from Influenster. If you do not know what Influencer is, it is a subscribing app. So basically they send you free stuff, basically just promoting their business and the companies that they're working with. This one is Pat McGrath Labs, so it's a makeup company. So they sent me under eye powder, and this is in the shade medium. A Sunline Perfection Concealer Brush. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's on the front of here. That's what it looks like. And then they also sent me some concealer. So if you guys want to check out Influencer and you like free stuff, I will leave a link down below.
Hey guys, today we're going to make a project, and it's this. The pilot. I know she's 30 years old because it's right here.
Good job.
That's the number right there.
About to help her with her Black History. I'm talking about, yeah, Black History project. And she's doing Bessie Coleman. Asia, stop acting crazy. Asia, stop.
Trying to get off the camera.
Why you don't want to get? Why you? I thought you want to be on the camera.
In the restaurant, you can
For the tacky for real.
Oh.
Yeah, these drinks are the freaking truth. Oh, push some glasses up.
Say hi. Look at them. Say hi, mamas. Look. Say hey. You gotta say hey to them. Like this. You love tie-ties? Say I love you.
I love you. It's a door.
What?
See?
Where?
It's a door.
It's a door?
Oh, look at that. It's a bird.
Yeah, you hear the birds?
What's that?
The wind and the sun and the skies and the trees and the grass. It's cold. He's about to cut the grass, mama. He's gonna cut the trees.